Nakasuhan na ngayon dahil sa grave threats si Vice President Sara Duterte. To clarify, iba pa ito doon sa ongoing na impeachment niya. August 11, kinonfirm na ng Department of Justice na isinampa na nito ang kasong grave threats laban kay Duterte sa Quezon City Court. Dahil ito sa sinasabing assassination threat ni Duterte kay President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos at dating House Speaker na si Martin Romualdez. Ibig sabihin, pagkaso na po, ito na po yung trial. Nasa korte na po. Magkakahearing na. Pero ang tanong ngayon, paano ang impeachment niya? Ayon sa mga constitutional law experts, magko-coincide lang o magsasabay lang ang hearing kung sakali nitong sa grave threats at yung impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte.
Department of Justice prosecutors filed 3 counts of grave threats against Vice President Sara Duterte. This over her alleged threats against President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and his family. DOJ spokesperson Rafael Martinez says, "We confirm that the complaint for grave threats against Vice President Sara Duterte was filed today, August 11, 2026. This is the same probe handled by the National Bureau of Investigation and the same grave threats allegations in Duterte's impeachment. The filing of the case against Duterte means DOJ prosecutors found prima facie evidence enough to ensure the case would lead to a guilty verdict." Martinez adds, the inciting to sedition case was dismissed. Duterte's legal team confirms the filing of the cases and says they anticipated and prepared for this outcome. Duterte's lawyer, Paul Lawrence Lim, says, given these serious legal issues, the Vice President will exercise all available legal remedies in due course.
Siguro nagtataka kayo bakit nakasuhan si Duterte Vice President siya. Wala po kasing legal immunity ang mga vice-presidente, hindi katulad ng mga presidente na hindi pwedeng kasuhan habang nakaupo sila sa pwesto. Nag-statement naman ang kampo ni Vice President Sara Duterte at sabi nila i-exhaust naman nila lahat ng possible na legal remedies when the time comes. So for now, ang siste natin ay si Vice President Sara Duterte ay maaaring humarap sa dalawang trial niya. The grave threats trial sa Quezon City at ang impeachment trial niya sa Senado.